Keep it up, keep it up. You gotta keep it up. Yeah, keep it up and real. Yeah, at it. Ephraim's on the first fish of the day on the Whopper Plopper.
Yeah.
Ah, he's here.
Yeah, let's go.
He's here. He's here, boy. Come here.
Go ahead, brother.
Come here.
Let me get over here.
Come here, boy. Right.
Oh, catfish. Let's go.
You gonna eat this one?
You keeping this one, Jimmy?
Oh,
Or
no. My people.
no. He said no.
Catfish. It squeezes.
Yeah. No, you don't need to squeeze. Just hold it. It's, I already locked it in for you. All right, let me see. Let me get one too. Just nice. E's on again. That's number 2 for E. And when Jimmy and I got 0 each.
Hey, it's coming, man. Y'all,
It's coming.
Y'all had it.
Let's get one more pick. Nice.
Oh yeah. Come here.
All right, E is on again. On the soap.
That's a catfish.
Nice. Oh wow. Whoa.
That's a freaking monster.
Holy.
He just got slow.
Yo, nice.
Let's go slow.
Nice. Yo.
Off the side.
Yo, nice.
Ain't no way, brother. Go ahead. See? There you go.
Take my phone, buddy.
Yo, nice blue catfish, dog.
That's
Holy.
definitely the biggest I got.
Biggest you got ever? That's your PB?
Probably.
Yo,
Yeah.
PB's out here. Let's go. PB's out here.
Oh, good.
I only have the
Oh, good.
the measuring stick.
Where's your phone, bro? Right over here.
All right, E's on again. E's been on a roll today. That's a big one.
No, I got him.
Got him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Put him on the ground.
Yo, there's snaps here.
Hold it by the tail end. So underneath the tail, like right there. Perfect. Yep.
Let's go.
Nice. Nice.
Bro.
He's on a
You had
roll.
a massive catch though, cause I saw it snap. I'm like, bye.
It was gone.
She gone. She gone.
All right, this is crazy. E's on again.
Yo, what is that?
It's a blue cat again. Yo, another catfish for E. Yo, E is on it, yo.
On fire.
Yo, let's go. Bring it back this way. Hey, let's go, man. Easy.
He's nice. You want to eat him?
Oh, there's a fish. Give me the net. No, I got it. Fish. What do we have here? Snakehead. Let's go. Snakehead. Yes, let's go. Woo! And Alan said these things don't catch anything. I told you I've been catching.
He's just trying to get it in here.
I just want to keep moving. It's gonna take a video.
Getting it. Hey, this is SNN Adventures here with a pool noodle.
Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh. I got it. Big boy. Holy. That's a big boy.
That-
Don't let it get
Whoa. Yo.
Woo!
That's a big boy. That's a big boy.